Hey, in this video, I'm going to discuss 7 things you need to know before you select a mortgage loan originator. And so it's important that you do this, that you find someone who's actually licensed in your state. This is critical because this is a very difficult job, closing loans here today. And just know our federal government and our state government, to become a licensed mortgage loan officer, you only need 20 hours of class time. Here in the state of Colorado, I looked it up. To have someone cut your hair, they need 40 hours of classes. You only need 20 hours to become a mortgage loan originator. And let me tell you, as I look at what's covered in the classes, they learn absolutely, positively nothing about approving or closing a loan. So it can be very dangerous here. Number 1 is check out, their licensing and certification. It can be found on the website down below through the National Mortgage Licensing System, the NMLS, and you'll find out A, how long have they been in the business, C, 2, other jobs that they currently have or recently had, and you go, okay, you're making the biggest purchase of your life, buying a home. Do you really want a mortgage loan originator or loan officer who's currently an Uber driver or delivering pizzas, or was doing so about a year ago? I don't think so. Number 3, you can find out on there if there's any complaints against them and how they responded. So it's incredibly important you check out the NMLS Consumer Access website. Yeah, number 2, go see what their past clients have said. The best place is probably Zillow, because that's where everyone goes to look to buying a home or financing a home. I know for myself, I have right about 100 reviews on Zillow. You can also check out Google as well. Number 3, going back to selecting a mortgage loan officer, you really want someone who probably has at least 3 to 5 years experience and someone who's closed 150 to 200 loans. Here's why. I will tell you, because there's no training by the government on how to approve or close a loan. So their first 100 plus clients are going to go through the school of hard knocks with them, because that's how you learn in this business as a loan officer. So those newer mortgage loan officers are forcing their clients to go through the school of hard knocks with them. And do you really want to do that with your biggest purchase in life? Number 4, is your mortgage loan originator accessible 7 days a week? For example, do you have their cell phone number? A lot of the big national lenders and online lenders, you just have an 800 number. You have no one to talk to in the evenings or weekends. And let me ask you, when are you going to be out looking at homes? Almost for sure on the weekends. So when you really need them, they're not there. I am there. And so one of the things I will tell you, it's been into my voicemail message for, 15 years or more, is that I return your phone calls, return your voicemails within 3 hours, 7 days a week. And so you're going to get a call back from me. That's just one of my promises and guarantees to you as my client. Number 5 is just, do they encourage you to ask questions? Do you feel welcome and encouraged, and open to ask questions? I mean, I've been telling my clients for over a decade that there are no stupid questions. So please ask questions. And I've heard them all. I've been doing this 25 years. So I've heard every question in the book. So please ask. Number 6, are they knowledgeable, about the mortgage market, economics, and the real estate market? They may not be because of their inexperience. But then you look at someone like me and the wisdom that I can provide you through my treasure trove of videos. And when we talk, because I've been teaching this stuff for 25 years. Number 7 is, it's important to know their rates and fees and costs. And this is something I disclose to my borrowers up front once we have you pre-approved to buy a home. Many years ago, I created a one-page document I just call my PASS report. It stands for Pre-Approval Summary Sheet. It has 3 parts. The first part just tells you the type of loan you're pre-approved for, the estimated interest rate and APR, the loan amount, and sales price. The second section shows you the monthly payment you're pre-approved for, including taxes, insurance, HOA dues, everything. Then the third section shows you an estimate on your cash to close, so that you know these numbers right up front with me. And that's what you need from any lender that you choose. And I just encourage you to really check us out on the MLS, check us out on Zillow before you make this big decision. And if you have questions, concerns, please text me, 303-881-6374.